So I'm thoroughly encouraging you to familiarize the properties of exponents because you need this especially when you are solving exponential equations. Now that we have learned how to solve exponential equations, let's proceed solving natural exponential equation. So, in general mathematics, a natural exponential equation is a transcendental equation where the independent variable x is in the exponent. Yun nga lang, kaya siya tinawag na natural exponential equation dahil yung base ng exponent x ay isang transcendental constant e or yung Euler's constant, which is approximately 2.718. So here we have a natural exponential equation, e raised to 5x is equal to e raised to 25. So yung transcendental constant mo dito ay yung Euler's constant, kaya siya tinawag na natural exponential equation. So una pa lang makikita na natin na pwede na tayo mag-apply ng the one-to-one property of exponential functions dahil una pa lang ay napapansin natin na parehas yung base natin on both sides of the natural exponential equation. By the way, in general mathematics, the one-to-one property of exponential functions said that kapag parehas yung base mo on both sides of the equation, pwede natin ipag-equal yung exponents nila. So, upon applying the one-to-one property of exponential functions on the first line, that will give us 5x is equal to 25. So, as you can see, when we apply the one-to-one property of exponential functions on the first line, the natural exponential equations we are solving yields a linear equation. So, naging linear equation na lamang siya. So, in general mathematics, a linear equation is an algebraic equation involving linear expressions. Kaya siya tinawag na linear equation dahil yung degree or yung highest exponent ng independent variable x ay 1. So since we are solving for the value of x, we need to eliminate the number 5. So in order for us to do this, we are just going to multiply both sides of the linear equation by the multiplicative inverse of 5, which is 1 over 5. So 1 over 5 times 5x will give us x. 1 over 5 times 25 or 25 divided by 5, that will give us x is equal to 5. So the value of x for this natural exponent. So the value of x for this natural exponential equation is x is equal to 5. So it is 5. So that will satisfy the natural exponential equation that we have solved.